A lot of the components inside any furnace or AC is going to be very similar across their product lines. Now, this is true for all brands, not just Goodman and Daikin. For example, all Carrier products are actually produced by a company called ICP, which is an acronym for International Comfort Products. This means that Carrier furnaces will have models that are almost identical under different brand names specifically. Brands like Bryant, Payne, or third-party no-name brands like half of the no-name HVAC that you see on the internet for sale, those are all private label ICP products.